Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ally Bank for cash flow tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Ally Bank for cash flow tracking, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Ally Bank website. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the online banking portal. Enter your Ally Bank credentials, including your username and password. If you're a first-time user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your social security number and account details. Once you've logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or email. After setting up two-factor authentication, return to your dashboard. Look for the cash flow tracking feature, typically found in your account overview or budgeting tools. Click on the cash flow tracking option to begin. Follow the prompts to connect your accounts if required. You may need to provide permissions for Ally Bank to access your other financial accounts. Carefully review and accept any terms and conditions. Once connected, your cash flow tracking tool should start aggregating your financial data. Check your dashboard regularly to monitor your cash flow updates. Ensure that you log out of your account after each session for security purposes. This completes the authentication process with Ally Bank for cash flow tracking. You are now equipped to manage and monitor your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.